Okay, so now again we have a program 2 lab 2 from program with persistent data. Basically this program is a tough one. Okay, basically we have this file here and we're gonna show you right now. We have kind of like a little database, even though it's not really, but we have a, that's not actually right, but let's just, for the sake of easiness, let's just pretend it's right. Anyway, we have 3 columns: Ireland, Dublin, number, Italy, Rome, number. So basically what it is a country, city in the country, population of the city, okay? And Ireland is repeated, Italy is repeated again with Venice, Florence, okay, we have Madrid, and we just have the population, okay? So that's the file. That's kind of like a little database, even though not really, but we can call it database for the sake of easiness, okay? So this program, what we're supposed to do is we have to do 3 things. First of all, we have to count, we have to sum up all the populations from every single city. We have to find the city with the highest population and what population that city has, okay? So that's the 3 things we have to do. How do we do this? Well, that's just a bit more complicated. Again, in the last video I have why I have these strings here, so I'm not going to go through it again. So if you don't understand, go to lab 2 program 1. So the previous video I have, okay? So we have a 3 strings here. We have city, country, and line. That's just for to see each line, okay? And this has been explained in other videos, so you don't understand, just go through my other videos. And then also we have a long end population, a long end sum of the population, a long end highest population, and a character call, which is an array, which I like to keep them all together. Highest population city. So the city with the highest population, okay? So you're gonna see where this goes right now. So we have a file which we're gonna open. We're gonna open population, so we're gonna open this file here. We've written so that's the FB reading permission, and cities, we're going to open the city string, which is this one, cities.txt, which is this file here, and we're going to open it with W plus permissions. And then we're going to check if the file is null. If it's not, okay, if it's not null, we're going to go through the while loop, okay? That's a long while loop, okay? So we are used to getting fgetC. That's a function that gets every single character, but now we're going to get fgets. Fgets is the exact same, but instead of a C has an S. So I suppose you're just going to think right now that the S is equal to string and C is equal to character, and you're actually right. Fgets gets every single, gets like a string, okay? So we're going to get line, which is this string here. We're going to put 600 is the size of the thing. We're going to put like the function size of and everything, but we'll just keep it easy. That's the size of each line, okay, like the array, and fp is the file we're going to get it from, okay? So that's the function. It has our 3 arguments. Remember, the array we're going to copy it to, remember we're just copying before to C as a character. We're just copying to like a character 1 by 1. Now we're copying line by line, so that's different, okay? We need to get the size because characters only 1, so we don't need that, but now we do need it, and we need also the file we're getting it from, okay? So then we're gonna get fscanf, okay? Fscanf is funny one, okay, because it has 3 arguments, even though it seems like there's more, okay? So the 3 ones are gonna be this one here, this one here, and this one here, okay? So see the way there's little commas here, that's just you're gonna see why now, okay? So basically this one is the exact same as the scanf, okay, but we're going to need to put where we're getting it from just before, okay? So before we run, because if we had it like this, it would have been just a scanf. This would have been right, okay, scanf. But if we're getting things from a file, we need to put the file where it is from first, okay? And then we need to get the string. So now we have 3 things. We're getting 3 different things right now, okay? We're getting a string, okay? So you go to population.txt. I'm gonna put it just here. As you can see, first of all, we have a string, which is a country, so that's the array the string country, we're gonna get it from here. That's a city. Next one will be a city, okay. And also we have the rest population, okay, which is a number. So again, you should know this, but if you don't, there's two things we should know about this, okay. First of all is, why does this one have an ampersand and this one doesn't, and this one doesn't? Well, that's because they're strings, and strings are by default, they're pointers, so they point to the first address of it. So we're putting here an ampersand, which is to the exact opposite, okay. So that's why we don't need an ampersand. We need an ampersand to population because that's an int, okay. Therefore we need an ampersand because we need to give us the address of it. And also that's an LD, that's a long digit done, well, I call it digit, okay. It's long int, okay. We didn't have to put the LD, but that just gives us a warning, even though it does work, but just in case we need to put it, okay. So it's a long integer, okay. Then every time we go through it, we're just copying that into here, here, and here, aren't we? Yeah. So we're gonna copy sum of the population is plus equal, okay. What does plus equal mean? Okay, well, that's just same as putting sum population plus population, okay. That's the exact same. Okay, I'll leave it like this just to see it easy. So we're gonna copy into here the sum of the population, which at the moment is 0, plus the population. Just gonna copy it here and here, just gonna add it up, okay. That's the sum of the population, okay. Add up all the populations, as you can see in the comment. Second of all, we have an if statement. What does the if statement say? Well, it's gonna check if the population, which is every time we get it, we're gonna get the population, is greater than the highest population. At the moment, highest population is equal to 0, okay. So it's gonna check, is population higher is greater than highest population? Well, if population is already more than 0, it's gonna go through a loop, it's gonna go through the if statement, it's gonna say highest population is equal to population. So we're gonna assign population to highest population, and we're gonna string cop. What does string copy mean? We're just gonna put, that's doing the exact same as this. We're just gonna, if we're gonna put a city, the city we got from here, we're gonna assign it. That's a function, okay. It's string copy. What this function is, just in case you didn't know, has two arguments. Is it's basically it's like assignment, okay. It's like the exact same as this, okay, but it's for strings. So we're gonna put city into here. We're gonna put the second argument into the first argument. So highest population city, which is a string, is gonna become city, okay. And then the if statement ends. Then we're gonna go through the second if statement, and we're gonna check if the country is Ireland, because that's the third thing we have to do. If the country is Ireland, write down in a file called cities, okay. So we have to copy all the cities of Ireland, okay. So if a string compare, okay, as we're comparing here we're comparing the population is greater than other thing, okay. We can't do that with strings, can we? Well, no, we can't. So there's like a function called string compare. A string compare is gonna return 0 if it's true. So if country, where we're getting from here, is equal to Ireland, it's gonna return 0. So if it is, it's gonna go through this statement here. So f put s, we know that already, and we're just putting a backslash n here. That's string concatenation, okay. That's just to make it look nice, okay. You should know what this is from other videos. And city is gonna put that into the file cities, okay. That's the file here, okay. Our file cities that we have writing permissions, okay. Okay, here. And then it's gonna check if C is under the file. Oh no, that's not right. That's not supposed to be here. Look, a little error I found, because we're not getting a character all the time, okay. That's just gonna end, because it's gonna get one by one until the end, and it's gonna get out by itself, okay. So we don't need to check if it's the end of the file or not. That's gonna do it for us, okay. And then it's gonna print some of the population of all the cities. It's gonna print this one here, and also it's gonna print the highest population with a population of. So it's gonna print the city with the highest population and what population that city has, and that's basically what we're doing here, okay. Just here, okay. I'll just say it again. We're just getting one by one, okay. So we have to do it with this one, right? It's gonna get first line, okay. Is gonna get country Ireland. It's gonna assign it to country. Dublin is going to assign it to city, and population is going to, and this number is going to assign it to population. Okay, we're going to say sum of the population is equal to sum of population plus population. So now sum of population, because it was zero is equal to, well, not zero, 0 plus 1,500,000, and sum of population is going to become that number. And it's going to do it again, and it's going to do 500, and then we're going to do 5. Let's just say 1,500,000 plus 3 million, and it's going to add it up, and it's going to assign it here. That's what it's doing. It's adding them up all the time. And this one is just checking, well, is population at this moment greater than the highest population? Well, it is, because highest population is equal to 0. This one is gonna assign highest population is equal to population, and it's gonna put the city into highest with city population. That's a string. Okay, we're just doing the exact same. I'm gonna go through one by one. Okay, one by one. And that's it. Okay, so now if we want to run it, we're gonna run it now. No warnings this time. Sum of populations is this. High population is London with a population of blah, blah, blah. Okay, if you want to check it, okay, let me just look. Dublin, Galway, and Cork are all the cities that have that Ireland has on that thing. I'm gonna delete it if you want to. Okay, well, I'm just gonna delete the things here. Okay, as you can see, it's empty right now, and we're gonna change the population of Dublin to be the greatest. Okay, so we're to run it again. As you can see, the population is completely different, and see, with the highest population is Dublin with a population of that. Okay, and the cities are Dublin, Galway, Cork. Okay, we could copy this again just in case you wanted to. As you can see, there's 3 Dublins, there's 4 Dublins right now. So run it again. That's gonna ask 4 Dublins, 1 here already, and there's 3 more. Okay, so we know that it works. Okay, so that's just about it. Okay, so that's it. Au revoir.